Welcome to Google Certified Student Level 1, YouTube Scenario 2. Mario is interested in learning how to make pupusas. He wants to create a playlist of his favorite recipes so he can always remember how to make them. Where does he click to create a playlist? So let's do a quick search for how to make pupusas. All right, so let's say that we want to use this one right here. Okay, so once you find the video that you want, if you go over here to the bottom right corner where it says save, you'll see a button right here for create new playlist. So if I hit create new playlist, we'll call this pupusas. Then I click create, and now it is now saved on a playlist. If I was to actually try another one, and to another video I want to add to that playlist, I just hit click save, and then now you'll see the word pupusas is now in my list of playlists, and I can check mark it and add that one. So now I have 2 videos on the pupusas playlist.